Ride your dreams, repair, rebuild, and go further. Assalamu alaikum. Just a quick moment here at one of Haikou's bike repair shops. At this most of the time busy bike repair shop here in Haikou Shangao village. Watch as this skilled mechanic works his magic. Ni halaban? He is bringing life to these two-wheelers. They take care of every bike here. And it is not just repairs. Brand new bikes are also available here for sale. Every corner has something special. Go find it. That is all for today. See you tomorrow.